अपने बच्चों के लिए हमेशा बेस्ट ही चुनते हैं, फिर चाहे वो स्कूल हो, ट्यूशंस हो या फिर स्विमिंग क्लासेस। और बात जब कॉलेज की आती है तो ऐसी ही एक बेस्ट चॉइस है सेंट विल्फ्रेड कॉलेज। इंडिया टुडे के टॉप 30 कॉलेजेस में कई सालों से शुमार है। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के एजुकेशन सर्वे NIRF में भी सेंट विल्फ्रेड कॉलेज लगातार टॉप 200 कॉलेजेस में अपनी जगह बनाए हुए है। हर बच्चे की ग्रोथ के लिए यहाँ बेहतरीन फैकल्टी, एनवायरनमेंट, प्लेसमेंट, फैसिलिटीज, हेल्थ और सेफ्टी का पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है। कॉलेज में अलग अलग फील्ड से जुड़े अंडर ग्रेजुएट, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट और डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज उपलब्ध हैं। तो फिर आप सोच क्या रहे हैं? आज ही विजिट कीजिए सेंट विल्फ्रेड कॉलेज को और अपने बच्चों के सपनों को दीजिए एक सुरक्षित उड़ान।
Hi dear students, I am Swati Sharma from Faculty of Management. Faculty of Management deals with interpersonal, professional, creative, managerial and intellectual skills. We offer 3-year professional degree program called BBA to develop these skills in students. Top recruitment areas in this stream are banks, insurance and financial sector, finance and accounting, sales and marketing, supply chain management, human resource management, tourism management, investment banking, business consultancy, e-commerce, information technology, data sciences, legal advisor, and of course, administrative services. So students, don't wait. Unite with us. There are endless opportunities waiting for you. If you want to grab these opportunities and make your lives better, you have to ensure your targets, and we will ensure how you achieve them. Thank you.
Hello dear students, I am Dr. Nikita Mathur, HOD of Computer Science in St. Wilfred College for Girls. After 12, you can pursue BC, Bachelor's of Computer Application. It is a 3-year professional degree course. You can learn software development, website designing, programming and database, and many more. You can pursue your career in both private and government sector. You can be a computer programmer, system analyst, software developer, database administrator, web designer, research scientist, and in every field nowadays, computer is very important. You can make your career in any field. Come, join us to fulfill your dreams.
Hi, this is Neha Chanani, currently pursuing BBA final year. I would like to share my views on how I got some indistinct assets from my college. I got some excellent opportunities for working with experts at various fields like banks, NGOs, reputed corporates, etc. But I'll tell you why. There are some important things which are often ignored due to some regular ways of studies like monotonous lectures. Instead of this, at our college, we are developed professional, personality, intellectual skills through mock interviews, group discussions, industrial visits, educational tools and many more. And overall development through sports, yoga, NCC, quizzes, debates, social work, science exhibition and many more. Also some social and cultural development through pro dance training, singing events, fashion shows, plays and skits, social welfare awareness and many more. So I would say every girl deserves the best opportunities in her life just like me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rachna Khandelwal from Department of Science. Department of Science is one of the strongest pillar of St. Wilfred Girls College. In a very short span of time, we have created many milestones by having number of gold medal in university merit in BSc and MSc courses. We have best faculty team. St. Wilfred College provides a better learning environment that includes audio-visual environment with best practical oriented field training with unique job skills modules and various co-curriculum activities by which students can groom their personalities. St. Wilfrid College for Girls offers many subject courses, subject combinations for BSc groups like Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Physics, Statistics, Maths, Physics, Geography, Maths, Physics, Psychology, Maths for Maths group students, and Botany, Zoology, Chemistry, Botany, Zoology, Psychology, Botany, Zoology, Geography for Bio group students. College offers many MSc courses, many MSc in many subjects like Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Psychology, Geography, Botany, Zoology, and etc. After doing graduation and post-graduation in science, students can get many government and private sector jobs like DRDO, ISRO, IFS, and become lecturer, fishery officer, forensic officer, drug inspector, actuary, statistical officer, and many more kinds of jobs. So St. Wilfrid Girls College is the best choice for doing BSc and MSc. Thank you.
Hello students, I'm Dr. Monica Chen. If we talk about commerce, there's a huge scope of commerce. After 12th class, we can go for commerce. The Bachelor of Commerce is abbreviated as BCom, undergraduate degree course. This course is designed to provide the students with a wide range of managerial skill and understanding in streams like finance, accounting, taxation and management. It is also a best option for students who want to become a career in banking, insurance, accounting, finance, etc. BCom is ideal for those who wish to pursue CA, CS, cost accounting. Further study, we can provide MCom in ABSD, EFM and BAT. Career option in commerce, CA, CS, CMA, CFA, taxation, insurance, investment, etc. So many career options in commerce. Thank you.
Hello dear students, I'm Dr. Tarika Sharma, Assistant Professor Psychology from Faculty of Arts. When we talk about career in art stream, there is a reservoir of endless opportunities. One can pursue career in research, teaching, social services, mental health services, counseling, hotel industries, BPOs, graphic designing, wellness coach, life skill coach, language expert, dietitian, nutritionist, and yes, spirit for serving the nation, one can pursue the career in administrative services as well. But you know, it is only possible when you choose the right path for your career. Here at St. Wilfrid's College for Girls, we offer a number of promising subjects in art stream that you can choose. Come, join us in your journey of pursuing your career of dreams.